So first up, chop up your leftover brisket. If you don't got leftover brisket, get some steak. I'm gonna add a little olive oil, a little garlic paste, and a little my West Coast shake and set it aside. Y'all, ingredients and prep will be down in the video caption. Don't forget to like, share, follow, all that good stuff. Let's go. Take the biggest spatula you have and give it a big old flip. Only lost one shrimp, baby. Ha ha! Guys, do you really need a bacon, garlic, Parmesan cream sauce for your elevated surf and turf quesadilla? Damn right you do. You know it's good, baby.